Congratulations on being admitted! In order to access future admitted student virtual events, you'll have to create a quick account with Bronco Exchange. This is an interactive platform that will allow you to attend sessions and meet faculty, staff, and students through chats and video calls. Let's get started. Go to broncoexchange.peoplegrow.com and click on Join Our Community, which will prompt you to register. Click on the gray email button to start the login process. Please enter your first and last name, the email address you used for your SCU application portal, and create a new password. Passwords require a minimum of 8 characters, including an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. Once you have saved your password for future use, go ahead and click on Create Account. You will see a pop-up banner prompting you to send a confirmation email. Click on this. If you do not use the same email address as the one for your SCU application portal, then you won't see this banner. So please try again or contact admissionnetwork@scu.edu for help. Go to your email inbox and look for the email titled Verify Your Email and click on that button. This will take you back to the Bronco Exchange homepage where you will activate your account with your email. You will have to re-enter your password and click Continue. From here, you'll be taken to an About You page. Feel free to add a profile picture, a creative headline that describes you, and your location. The next page will ask you some background information, and then finally, although this isn't required, you will be asked to answer some matching questions that we highly encourage you to do so that we can match you with a student or alumni of similar interests. When complete with your profile, click on the Events tab on the red menu bar in the top right. Here you can see and register for all admitted student events you wish to attend. When you find one you like, simply click on the green Register button. You'll receive an automatic confirmation email for every event you register for. On the day of the event, come back to Bronco Exchange to access the session by clicking on the picture or the session title. At the bottom of the description section, click Access Session Here, which will open Zoom in a new window. In the event that a Zoom link is already at capacity, we will live stream some of the sessions. Simply click on the live stream link located below the Zoom link. That's it. You're ready to participate in Bronco Exchange for all of our virtual admitted student events. Hope to see you there.